Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a book with ChatGPT. First, we will establish a clear vision for your book, defining its purpose and audience. Then, we will outline the entire structure, breaking it down into manageable chapters and sections. Next, we will leverage the AI to generate initial drafts and expand on your ideas. Finally, we will focus on the critical human editing process to ensure quality. A strong outline is the backbone of any successful book. Begin by clearly defining your book's genre and who you are writing for. Then, craft a detailed chapter-by-chapter plan, including key themes and plot developments. For fiction, develop rich character profiles and intricate plot points. ChatGPT can be an excellent partner in brainstorming these initial concepts and refining your structural ideas. Once your outline is solid, it is time to generate content. Provide ChatGPT with precise prompts based on your chapter outlines, requesting content in smaller, digestible sections. Guide the AI to maintain a consistent tone and style throughout your manuscript. Remember, this is an iterative process. Refine your prompts to achieve the desired narrative depth or informational accuracy for your book. The final, crucial step is thorough editing and polishing. Review all AI-generated content for factual accuracy and overall coherence. Your human touch is essential for adding nuance, a unique voice, and creative flair that only you can provide. You can also use ChatGPT for grammar checks and stylistic suggestions, but always ensure the final manuscript is truly unique and engaging for your readers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.